Handling business write-offs with digital bookkeeping is simpler than you might think. And in this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps you need to take to make sure you're tracking those write-offs correctly and efficiently. Stay tuned because I'll also share with you a way to easily track these expenses using software that gives you a free trial exclusive to viewers of my channel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to handle business write-offs with digital bookkeeping and streamline your process. The first thing to remember about business write-offs is that they are expenses you incur for your business that reduce your taxable income. That means the more you track and document, the lower your tax liability could be. But to take full advantage of these write-offs, you need to have a system that's organized, up-to-date, and easy to access. That's where digital bookkeeping comes in. With digital bookkeeping, you can easily track and categorize your business expenses. Instead of manually sifting through receipts or trying to recall your expenses at tax time, digital bookkeeping software allows you to capture your expenses in real time and categorize them as you go. The key to handling business write-offs efficiently is consistency. If you make it a habit to record every expense, no matter how small, you'll have a complete picture of your business finances at any moment. Next, let's talk about categorizing your write-offs. This is important because the IRS requires specific categories for different types of expenses, like office supplies, travel, meals, or home office expenses. Digital bookkeeping software makes categorizing these expenses a breeze with customizable categories. You'll never have to wonder which expenses can be written off because your software can automatically sort them based on the category you set up. Now, the next step is to make sure you have proper documentation for each expense. With digital bookkeeping, it's super easy to snap photos of receipts or link to your bank account directly to track transactions. This means if you ever get audited, you'll have a complete, organized record of all your write-offs. Just make sure that all your receipts are stored digitally and linked to the appropriate transactions in your software. Another thing to keep in mind is using reports for tax time. At the end of the year, digital bookkeeping software can generate reports that summarize all your expenses and provide a clear breakdown of your write-offs. You'll be able to easily see how much you've written off and ensure that everything is accounted for when filing your taxes. The software I'm recommending today makes this step painless and helps you avoid any last-minute scrambling. You might be wondering, what software should I use to manage this process? I've tried several of the most popular digital bookkeeping tools, but the one I recommend is the software we'll be using today. If you want to follow along with me, you can try it out using the exclusive free trial link in the description below. This offer is only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out on it. Now to recap the key points. First, track all your expenses consistently with digital bookkeeping. Second, categorize your write-offs to stay organized and make sure everything is IRS approved. Third, use digital tools to store receipts and transactions digitally. And finally, use the software's reporting features to generate a clear overview for tax time. Remember, digital bookkeeping is a game changer for simplifying business write-offs. And with the software I recommend, it's easier than ever to stay on top of your expenses. Before I close off, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below if you want to follow along with the software. Handling business write-offs with digital bookkeeping doesn't have to be complicated, and now you've got the tools to do it right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.